A long tail cast-on is one of my most favorite cast-ons to use, but it's worked a little bit differently from other cast-ons in that our tail end, hence long tail cast-on, needs to be long enough to create the amount of cast-on stitches we need, which means we can't start with just a 4-inch tail and then do a slip knot. We have to figure out how much yarn we need for that long tail cast-on. Now you can eyeball it. Some people use the method of holding it from your fingers and then pulling it up to your shoulder, and that sometimes is approximately 30 inches or 30 stitches. But one of the best ways to do this is you can give yourself about a 4 to 5 inch end, place that on your needle, and then you can wrap for however many stitches you want to cast on, and then add a few more inches beyond that, and that's an approximate amount you will need to place your slip knot. Once you've tied your slip knot, you can add it to your needle. Now we want to take our tail end over here to the left, our working yarn to the right, and we are going to place our fingers between the yarn. I take my thumb and my index finger between those two strands and I grab them at the base. And then I take the working needle around this part of the thumb and then around the index finger yarn through the hole I just made on the thumb, let go of the thumb and tighten that stitch down loose enough that it still is flexible on our needle. So let's do that again. We're going to take our working yarn under the strand in front. It creates this loop that we are now going to grab the strand from our ball or index finger and pull through, letting our thumb go, tightening it down. Let's see that again. It could feel a bit clunky at first doing it this way. It seems like you've got a lot going on, but once you get used to the long tail, it's quite nice. So let's review from the beginning one more time. Place your index finger and your thumb through the two strands and grab them with your bottom 3 fingers. And now place your needle under the strand with the thumb, grab the strand from the index finger, pull through, let go of your thumb, and tighten down. Once you get comfortable with this, you can move at quite a fast pace. Now, the one thing I really love about the cast-on is it is a flexible cast-on. It creates a really nice edge, and it's seriously my go-to.